Hey friends, nice to see you again. Mr. Bender-Bernstein here. It is time for our very first lesson of our second unit of our online elementary learning modules. Have you done our warm-up yet? If not, click here and we can do a dance together. I promise it's tons of fun and it might give you a hint for the beginning of this lesson. Now we're going to play a game of Guess That Word. I'm going to give you some letters and you're going to see if you can mix them up in the right way to make a certain word. Okay, we got N, we've got M, we've got L, we've got two A's, and we've got I. What could this one be? Take a moment to think. Don't worry, I'll wait for you, and maybe I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with shanimal. Did you guess animal? Then you are correct! Now we're going to ask the question, what makes an animal an animal? According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, an animal is any member of the kingdom of living things as earthworms, crabs, birds, and people that differ from plants typically in being able to move about, in not having cell walls made of cellulose, and in depending on plants and other animals for sources of food. Now you might want to ask the question, what kinds of animals are there? There are many, many, many kinds of animals, but there are 6 basic animal classes, and those 6 animal classes are mammals, fish, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and invertebrates. Some examples of each class of animals are, one mammal is a dog, like Marshall from Paw Patrol. One example of a fish is a Pacific blue tang fish, like Dory from Finding Dory. One example of a reptile is a lizard, like Lisa from Nature Cat. One example of a bird is a parakeet, like Ace or Polly from Power Birds. One example of an amphibian is a frog, like Kermit from Sesame Street. And one example of an invertebrate is snails, like Gary from SpongeBob. Now I have a question. What is your favorite animal and why? Take a moment to think. Now that you've chosen your favorite animal, draw it. I'll make one too and we can share out. Are you finished with your drawing yet? I am. Let's share out. My favorite animal is the leopard gecko. And the leopard gecko is my favorite animal because they always look like they're smiling. And I think that's really cute and fun. Want to share your art with me? Go ahead and shoot me an email, mrbenderbernstein@gmail.com, and I'd love to look at your art. Thank you so much for learning with me. Want to watch our next episode on animals? Click here. Until next time, see you later.